again with Meads Discount Doors and More. And on this video, we're going to be measuring from the outside jamb to outside jamb. And as in the previous videos, it's best to get the person that's going to install the door to do these measurements. Either yourself, if you're going to install it yourself, or if you're going to get a handyman, a skilled carpenter, or one of the Meads installers, we could come out and take these measurements for you so that you'll get the exact size door for your exact size opening. And to measure from outside jamb to outside jamb, once your casing is removed, you can hook one end of your tape to the outside of the jamb or the frame, door frame. And then you'll pull it over to the other side and measure from the outside of this jamb. And this one is exactly 60 9/16 inches wide. And in order to fit this size door, your rough opening would need to be at least a ½ inch wider, which the rough opening needs to be at least 61 inches wide. And then to get the height of the rough opening, or the outside jamb, again, measure from the finished floor up to the top of the header. And this one actually measures 82 1/8 inch. And is the same as on the sides. You need at least a ½ inch clearance above the outside jamb, so your rough opening needs to be at least 82 1/2 inches tall.